Today, I am here to talk about how to get Virat Kohli out. It is unthinkable to talk about quintessential, the prince or the king of cricket in India. Virat Kohli has acquired this position because what he has done. His energy, childlike aggression. Even Dhoni quipped for how long he can carry the energy, but that person is carrying on and on. And by the time he retires, all records will be his. Maybe test centuries, no. But one day definitely, T20 and captaincy all records. He's invincible in India, and under his captaincy, India has been winning. And I hope World Test Championship, the first inaugural, we also win it. So now, let's understand what this person has done in regard to statistics. He is a run machine. And if you see his stats, his average in ODI, 12,000 runs, average 59.1, and so many winning centuries. In Test also, his average has been increasing 52.38, runs 7,100. IPL again, highest run getter. In T20 again, 50 plus average. This guy is truly the run machine. But now if we come to his wickets, 49.7% he's out caught. And that's where I get the attention. Where does he get caught? Where does he get caught? And that is the thing on the slips. Earlier he used to be out on the driving, but now in slips he gets out differently. Then you see his wagon wheel runs. If you'll see between long leg to fine leg he scores legs, and on third man he scores legs because of his playing technique, which I'm going to harp on. Now I'm going to see, this is where my analysis is coming into picture. I have taken out his short ball dismissal. And you see, Tim Southee, who is known for swing, gets him out on short ball. In the last series down under in New Zealand, Tim Southee got him out in similar fashion all the time. And it's not him only. I saw Cummins bowling 8 overs, ball above the waist and below the shoulder, and Virat Kohli was not able to score. And that's when I realized that's where some problem lies. Now, England also, earlier Anderson could get him out like this, but not today. Today, he is scoring runs, so many centuries against England. How? That means that weakness is over. Now, we are going to talk about, Virat Kohli has been picked up by one or two bowlers. Hazlewood is one who got him out in 3 times in the last ODI series against Australia. But now I'm trying to show Mitchell Johnson knew it. And now I'm showing you the famous delivery in the World Cup in the semi-finals when Virat Kohli got out of the short ball and India lost the semi-final to Australia. So the fact is, it's a short ball which gets him out above the waist, below the shoulder. Why? We will be coming to that. First of all, every commentator talks about Virat Kohli has still problem with drive. Maybe, Bolt got him. Left armers, yes, still has a problem. But the fact is his cover drive is flawless. You see, cover drive, his movement comes forward, and then his body balance, his head is steady. Then further, he is coming out, so heavy backlift, so that's where he generates power. Okay, high elbow, so that's why he can, high elbow, you can guide the ball anywhere. That is why he plays in the V and the square the best way. It's the correct posture, the body, what we have studied, physics, force is equal to, mass into acceleration. Now you come to the short ball. Virat Kohli tries to push forward towards off and his move, towards the off stump. That is very good for driving. But now what happens? If the ball comes short, then he has to go back. He has got high backlift already. Now, because of the high backlift, suddenly he has to go back. Okay, so the fact is, as he was preparing the ball on the leg side, his head is not steady. Okay, feet across the ball, he's now going back. So he is losing that balance. Once you lose that balance, what happens? The power does not come. Now he has got two choices, either to pull the ball or to do what? So if he tries to dab it out, generally the ball is bouncing and he is not looking at the ball. Okay, transfer space, incurring ball, and he gets out in the slip, or he gives it to the third man. Okay, and if he tries to hit it towards the leg, then what happens? You see this. If he tries to hit it towards the leg, then what will happen? The ball will balloon up. He does not have the power and the feet swiveling movement of Rohit Sharma. So this is the physics. He cannot have power to clear the boundary, so he'll get out. Now I am surprised the coaches from other countries have not unraveled Virat Kohli's weakness. In the last series, I did not even see Jofra Archer cramping his pace and bowling the short pitch delivery. So ball above the waist and up to the shoulder outside the off stump. 1 foot outside. You know, this is a bread and butter ball for people like Virat, Shikhar Dhawan, Rohit Sharma, any person who can cut and pull because he's steady on the crease. So the bowlers feel that, oh, this is a miss ball. But for Virat Kohli, whatever it is red cherry for other batsmen, it's a problematic ball for Virat Kohli. And that is why coaches are not trying this. I hope you are getting the logics, you are getting the physics. And if Virat Kohli has been subdued, you will analyze it. Most of the time, he has been getting out like this. And in the upcoming series, I do feel that Jamieson may cause him problem because of this, because of high bounce. He has the thing to go for attack, unless until he shows the patience, the way he showed patience against Cummins, Virat Kohli can be entrapped. So you can tame Virat Kohli by bouncing so that he does not score, and out of frustration, he will give wicket. So my dear friend, subscribe to our channel for the clinical analysis. We are not here to please anybody. We are here for the honest cricketing opinion. And I hope you like this video. And please send it to your friends. Every cricket lover and a purist will enjoy the technicalities which I have taught. Thank you very much.